Hello game devs, welcome back to another GDevelop tutorial. So in this tutorial I will be showing you how to implement the Google Admob, which is the reward video in your game. So some months back I made a tutorial on how to implement the Google Admob, which is the banner. So in this tutorial we will be doing the reward video. So let's open GDevelop, create a new project. So I will be using my geometry monster. Open that up. So we need to open the scene level 1. So before we begin, let's have a preview of this game. Okay, so here we go. This is the geometry monster. You have to get the shapes and avoid the bomb. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, there's a collision there. Okay, so close that. Now we need to add a video button which serves as an add button. So add a new object, sprite, add an animation, add. Okay, so I have this sprite to serve as add button, so I'll just name that view add. Apply. Move my monster a bit. Okay, that's perfect. And pulling my view ads into the scene. Okay, so this is the button our player must click on in order to view the ad. So let's go to our events. Let's go to the bottom, as you can see here. So we need this to come up once our player's health is equals to 0. So level 1 events. Here we go. As you can see, monster is dead. Okay, before we do this, just scroll up a bit. Sorry. Here we go. At the beginning of the scene, he hides the game over object. Here it is. He hides the home and the main menu and the try game object. So we need to add a add button here. Copy, paste. So we need to hide this thing. Now scroll to the top. Here we go. Monster is dead. We need it to show. Copy, paste. We need it to show our view adds button. Okay, so level 1. Okay, so now let's go to our Google Admob. Here we go. This is what it looks like. You have to have an account with Google in Google Admob. Okay, so let's go to our apps. Here we go. This is some test apps I created some time back. So add app. Okay, so have you published your app on Google Play Store or the App Store? No. App name. Here's our app name, Geometry Monster. You can also find that right here. Here again, Geometry Monster, and here again, Geometry Monster. So Geometry Monster. Platform is for the Android. So if you make it for iOS, you have to create an add unit for the Android and also for the iOS. So we can't select both, so we have to choose one between them. So for the Android, add okay, so here we go. Congrats, your app has been added to Admob. So this is our app ID. You need to copy this, and you would have to place that in your project manager, properties, projects, properties. Scroll to the bottom. Here we go. Admob. This is your Admob application ID. Here we go. App ID. It's the same with the Admob application ID. So paste that here. Control V, and here we go. So we pasted this and apply. So you need to have this in your app before it works in your game. Without this, your game would not display ads. So apply. Now let's go to the bottom, somewhere around here. Just create a new group, and I'm naming the group ads or video ads. Okay, I'll just name it reward video. Reward video. Add a sub condition. Add a condition. Okay, so cursor. A touch. We need to get this cursor touch is on an object. It's on view ads, which is our button. Okay, so cursor touch is on view ads. Add condition. So we need to check for the visibility of an object. Here we go, view ads. Okay, so once cursor touch is on view ads, so we're using this condition because we don't want our player to click on our view ads button before it loads up, before it shows up. So we have to check for the visibility first. Cursor touch is on view ads, and view ads is visible. Add an action. We need to get our reward video, so just type in video. Here we go, load video. So now we need to create our app unit. So you add this next. So before we do that, I just want to show you something. So we're going to fill our app Android reward video ID right here. So here we go. This is the banner initials. Reward native advanced. In the future I will create a tutorial on the native, advanced, and the initial, but for now let's go for the rewarded. So add unit name, so you can just select a name you want. Okay, I'll just name this game over. Reward 7, enter reward amount. This is the amount of reward you want. Enter reward item. This is the reward item you want. Just fill in the item you want. Advanced settings. Add type. You can choose video, which is the default, or it's not the default. It's just compulsory because this is the rewarded. So video, server side verification, frequency capping, ECPN flow. Okay, so create add unit, and now we need to copy this. Okay, copy, minimize, and paste it here. So you need to pull out a quotation mark, shift, and paste that in between. So here we go. And now display. So if you are creating this for an iOS, you just fill in your the ID here. So display for Android, display on load complete, yes. Test mode, no. So if this displays it immediately, it loads. Okay. So add an empty event. Now let's add conditions to check for our for a video reward. So reward. Here we go, video reward max as claimed. So yes. Okay, so once the video reward is given. Okay, so add an action. Where you're filling the reward you want to give to your player. So let's say you want to give your player full life, so just fill in an event like add your players at the player's health. So this is where you fill in the action. So since we don't have a reward, I'll just fill in a color. Sorry, global color of monster color. So just change the color of monster to green. Okay, so if you have a reward, you fill it right here. So once the cursor touch is on view ads, no reward video view ads is visible once this working, the action will take place. So video reward given, change the color of monster to this. Okay, so that's it. If you run this, if you export this to Android, it should work perfectly. Okay, so that's how it's done. Thanks for watching.